How much
No.
can
You
earn in a
know,
month?
because
And
girls are apple of eyes their parents.
What do you say? Please speak.
You know, girls are eyes of girls are apple of their. Sorry.
Apple? Girls are apple?
Girls have no mind.
You can't say girls has no mind. I'm saying
Yeah,
that.
you also
Listen
said
me.
girls
Listen
are
me.
apple.
I'm
How is
saying
it
this.
possible? You are speaking like everybody
Listen
don't know.
me.
You
I
are your
forget
parents
to
is Google,
listen.
you
Then
are saying
you can't
girls are
judge
apple.
me.
How it's possible?
Girls have no mind.
What you say? Please say. Again, say. Again.
If I forget something, then you can't judge me. Girls have no mind.
Yeah,
You
when you have
also
mind, you have
forget
remember.
something.
If you have mind, you have remembered. If you don't have mind, then you are not able to remember. It's proved. You also prove you are not intelligent.
Yes.
How can I say?
Please ask. Please ask.
I'm saying that girls are apple of eyes. Their parents. You mean understand? Uh, girls are parents के आंखों की तारा होते हैं.
Yeah.
You understand?
No. Your
You
statement-
know
your
why
statement
it's
is also
behind
wrong.
reason, because girls are
According to
multi
me-
talent
according
and
to
she
me-
can do everything
Listen,
and
listen,
she
listen.
can
Girls-
handle
listen
everything.
me.
Girls
You
have
should need to
girls,
respect both
have
male and
only
female,
Papa
but-
Pari.
Listen me.
You're
listen me.
thinking
Listen
wrong.
me.
Yes.
I
You're
want to say
thinking
we need
in
to
wrong
respect
and you
both
have
girls
no
and
knowledge
boys.
about
But
girls.
all girls saying I am Papa Pari.
Listen me, bro.
Why?
You
That's
can, but
not
you can
correct.
also say. You can also say. This is your thinking.
No,
Girls are
listen me.
pari of father. Hello everyone. We are going to debate on a topic. Topic is who is more intelligent, boy or girl. Say, let's start.
We suppose boys are more intelligent than girls. First, I want to ask you, why are you thinking boys are not intelligent than girls?
That's my question. Why are you think boy is more important?
Because boys are able to do more work, but girls are not.
Girls is always able to do any work. How can say?
Okay, I ask you, which girl is a firefighter?
I see no more girls, but I see less girls.
What is the percentage of pilots in Indian Navy, air fighter?
50.
No, it's just correct. That's not correct. That is around 20%. No,
Why?
I don't know. You need to ask government.
Because boy understand and man always understand. Girls have a no capacity.
I want to ask you.
If you have a courage, you can create any type of papers and any type of test. That's my opinion. Girls
But
always,
girls percentage is lower according to you.
because men understand girls is not capable to do that work. That's why
So,
girls
men
always.
are not running the government.
That's why girls
Both men
always.
and girl running the government. You know.
You know what? Why? Because boy understand girls is very useless.
No,
That's
I asked
why.
you question. You give me
That's
another
why.
answer. Please give me answer me first. What I asked.
No,
You
no.
give me another thing that I don't ask. I ask why the percentage of women is less than men in Indian Army and Navy. According to you, girls are more intelligent, more powerful than why? You know why? Because many parents are not allowed to girls. You can do anything. You know why? Because it is a region of girls Who are
are not
parents?
safe. Girls
First
are
tell
not
me-
safe.
first
It's
tell me-
region behind to boy.
Listen, first tell me who are your parents and women and men. According to your statement, a woman is not supporting a girl. Then how it's possible? Woman is more intelligent.
There is doesn't matter who support you, but
why it's not matter when the woman is not support a woman? Then how women are intelligent? They need to support.
Many parents are think that you can't do anything and you can't go outside. Why? Because girls are not safe outside. Yes. And you know, then why are you asking?
It's not topic. The topic is who is more intelligent.
No, you are asking why. Why? More in every field. That's I am
Yeah.
saying.
That's not topic of today. Today's topic is who is more intelligent. I am not
I
talking
also
about
prove
the
this. I
safety
also
level.
prove this. Who is more sensible?
Your statement is not proving the girls are more sensible. If you have problem to get out of your home, that's not correct answer.
You can't say because you are
What I
not.
can't say. I say everything.
What
I
is
want
your
to.
question? What is your
My
question?
question is why girls percentage in job is less.
That's my answer is, and she's answer is, our family not consider
now your family-
Stop.
yeah.
Here is a point I want to ask you. In your parents, is a mother and is a father. Your mother is also a female, but why she can't support you?
Your
because you are
parents,
also female.
your parents know my daughter is not about in this able.
You can't say my parents think
Because
my girls are not able. They know properly my girls
But
and
why
my
they
daughter
can't
is
support
able
you?
to do everything. But
Because
they
my-
don't. They can't send to other place.
But why you say that if your mother father support you, then you are able to do what you want?
If our family supports me,
Why they don't support you?
because
Because
they
they know you.
Because
You are
know
not
you.
able to do that.
Yes.
no, they understand we are a very we,
Only support son and not support daughter.
yes in
Why?
my
That's the
family,
reason.
it's
That's the
my
reason
family.
My daughter is not able to this work.
No, they understand their society
You know
and
your
their
thinking
city
is
is
wrong.
not safe for
My
us.
thinking is not our parents thinking is wrong.
Your thinking is wrong. My parents know. My parents know my daughter is can handle everything.
So why you not go anywhere?
Because
I can go anywhere and
Listen,
I can do
listen.
everything. But some girls are not can do
According
everything.
to me, most girls are not intelligent, but few girls are intelligent.
yeah,
But according to you, every man or boy are not intelligent. Is it
You
okay?
mean
Is it okay?
all boys are
Then what
sensible?
about your father? Then what about your father? If you say any man is not intelligent, then what about your father? But I think some girls are intelligent, but few more girls are not intelligent.
I think you can say indirectly your mother is not intelligent, and
No,
you are
I
also
also
your
say,
sister is not intelligent,
think
your
that-
cousin is not
I think
intelligent.
that the few girls are intelligent, but not the more overall the girls are intelligent.
I always and I also
But
said
according to
few
you, you also
few
said there is
boys
no man
is
who
not
is intelligent.
You
I not
intelligent.
say.
listen. You can't say only few girls are sensible. I also say few boys are sensible.
Girls
No,
was
not
only
correct.
cook food.
Please prove that.
Only
Please prove
girls
that.
was only cook food and not
Boy also cook food
yes.
You
Boys-
know knowledge
It's
about
not
girls.
because
Then
I-
you are
Girls
saying
also
girls
cook
only cook
food.
food.
because I see many boys want to become a
Because boy very intelligent and he go anywhere and some work then he start a cook food and
you means boy if go anywhere that's
Yes.
why they're intelligent.
yes.
No, I don't
That's
think.
intelligent
I
because
see
all
many.
job available. Why?
I see
why
many
not,
boy who
Why
is.
not join girls?
I see
Please,
many
sir.
boy who is
Please give me some
useless.
appropriate topics which shows the girls are better. I say many topics, but you don't give me, but you don't clarify me. You are intelligent. First clarify you, Kelly, prove yourself.
I can always say you can prove.
You mean I am not intelligent?
Yeah.
But I am also girl. How can you say that girls has no mind and girls has
Girls is
not
type of
sensible?
intelligence. You know, girls is not a
Which
type of
type
intelligence.
intelligence?
No,
I am
so
also
you
girl and
prove-
I have also knowledge.
Which type of knowledge you have?
Then you prove and clear NEET exam and IIT exam. Then I.
And you
It is your choice and my
I
choice
am
is
not.
different.
I am not
I'm
interested
also
in IIT
artist.
and JEE.
We
And
are
I
always
also
not
knowledge.
interested. We are.
And
we
every
are always
person
not
has different
interested.
types choice.
Yes.
It's your choice. You need types.
Okay, it's okay. What you say, it's okay. Please first give me some topics
Which type
that
topics?
shows the girls are more intelligent.
You know, in this time, many IAS officers.
Please tell me percent.
Listen.
I will clarify you.
50%.
I tell you.
It's not
What
for-
quantity?
it's not,
11,569.
How can say?
Yeah, I am telling
How
you
can
the
say?
Indian data. You need to
Indian
search
data?
search on Google.
I can't believe Google.
How you can say that you are proving you are not intelligent?
If
Google is
go
you
and
are challenging Google. How it's possible?
Huh?
You are challenging Google. Your data is wrong.
Listen me. You have no knowledge about Vyomika Singh and Colonel Sophia.
Yeah, I know.
Then how can you say that girls have no?
They come under 30%. Not
Not
about
the-
You
others.
can't say only 30%.
No, I say Google say. I am not saying.
Why Google say Google judge every person?
yeah.
What you
Google
want
say
to-
everything right.
Yeah.
What is
It's
wrong?
correct,
What
but
is
that-
right?
If Google say if you have a no
You
mind,
have no mind. You why you use
according to
Google? You
you-
have no mind.
I have mind. That reason I will tell you. I will show you data. You have don't mind. That reason you have don't any type of data. You know.
I have also any types of data. You can't see.
Please tell me.
Which
Which
type
type
of
of
data?
data you have?
Everything.
Everything.
And
I think
you
you
have
are
which
right.
type data? You have which type data?
Say-
Please ask me
What?
any question.
what
Any type of
listen
question I
me.
will answer you.
What can you prove?
Any type.
What do you want can prove?
Girls are not intelligent. I want
What's reason behind it? Girls are not sensible and girls are not intelligent.
because they are only talk. They have don't knowledge. They only speak. They have don't knowledge. Like you.
Which type? I can't understand. What do you mean?
I say you also understand, but
Girls
you don't want
demand
to
is
understand.
girls demand is very high. Girls have a lot of cloth, but all times they are all time give, please papa please give me one cloth. Please,
Boy
papa, one
also
cloth."
demand their family.
No,
No.
boys are
You
self-
know-
Why
Girls
that-
understand
why
their
that- why that-
girls understand their
in current
condition.
time it's
Boy
not possible.
boy never
Why
understand their
that one
condition.
cloth to
They
go
always
anywhere?
want to become
But
rich.
girls have one cloth.
Okay.
to go
Rather
anywhere.
their family.
In today's class, you ask who is self-dependent. I am self-dependent boy. Are you self-dependent girl? How much
No.
you can
You
earn in a
know,
month?
because
And
girls
you,
are apple of eyes their parents.
what do you say? Please speak.
You know, eyes of girls are apple of their.
Apple? Girls are apple?
Girls have no mind.
You can't say girls has no mind. I'm saying
Yeah,
that.
you are
Listen
girl.
me.
Girls
Listen
are
me.
apple.
I'm
How is
saying
it
this.
possible? You are speaking like everybody
Listen
don't know.
me.
You are
I
just
forget
telling
listen.
Google,
Then
are saying
you can't
girls are
judge
apple.
me.
How it's possible?
Girls have no mind.
What you say? Please say. Again, say. Again.
If I forget something, then you can't judge me. Girls have no mind.
Yeah,
You
when your
also
mind you have
forget
remembered.
something.
If your mind you have remembered, if you don't have mind, then you are not able to remember. It's proved. You also prove you are not intelligent.
Yes.
How can you say?
Please ask. Please ask.
I'm saying that girls are apple of eyes. Their parents. You mean understand? Girls are parents के आँखों के तारा होते हैं.
Yeah.
You
Oh.
understand?
No. Your
You
statement-
know why
your statement
it's
is also
behind
wrong.
reason because girls are
According to
multi talent
according to
and
me-
she can do everything
Listen,
and
listen,
she
listen.
can
Girls-
handle
listen,
everything.
Girls
we
have
should need to respect
girls
both
have
male and
only
female,
papa
but-
pari.
Listen me.
You're
listen.
thinking
Papa,
wrong.
Listen me.
Yes.
I
You're
want to say
thinking
we need to
wrong
respect
and
both
you have
girls
no
and
knowledge
boys.
about
But
girls.
all girls saying I am papa pari.
Listen me, bro.
Right.
You
That's
can, but
not
you can
correct.
also say. You can also say.
This is your thinking. Girls are
Listen me.
pari of father.
We should need to respect both men and women, but I want to ask you, why are you supporting a girl? I support both because a man supports both because they are intelligent. A girl is not supporting both because she is not intelligent.
I also support boys.
You are supporting boys.
Yeah.
Boys are more intelligent.
I'm not saying boys
I
are more
also
important.
support both
sorry,
are
intelligent.
sensible. But you can't say
According
girls
to
has
you,
no
boys are
mind.
sensible. Then it's you proved also boys are intelligent.
When you prove.
What do you mean?
You say boys are able to intelligent. Okay. Then you also prove.
Okay. You means
You know why I'm saying? Because I have knowledge. Then I am saying, and you have no knowledge. And you are not intelligent. Then you are saying
then
girls
you
has
are
no
come under
mind.
the 30% of girl who has knowledge. Okay.
How can say?
What
Because
I
of
say?
Google. Because of Google.
Yes.
Yeah.
Google
You have
judge
no
my
sense. You
personality.
can't use your
Google
sense.
judge our personality.
Google don't know you. Who are you?
I know Google don't know who am I, and that's why I said Google don't know who is a more intelligent boy or girls.
You
We
know,
cannot-
you know about
we
you,
cannot
who are
on the
you,
basis
then why
of
are you
Google.
asking to Google?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why? You have no sense.
You have no mind.
What do you want to